In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill a shape with an image in Google Slides. This is a handy feature that allows you to customize your presentations with precision and creativity. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to ensure you have access to Google by logging into your account. If you're not already logged in, head over to Google and sign in. Once you're on the main Google page, look for the Google Apps icon, which is typically represented by a grid of small dots at the top right of your screen. Give it a click and a drop-down menu will appear, showcasing an array of Google services. From here, select Slides to open Google Slides. After landing on the Google Slides homepage, your next step is to create a new presentation. Click on Blank Presentation to open a fresh canvas where you can start your magic. This blank slide is where you'll be placing your image into a shape. The presentation is empty at this point, but don't worry, we're about to change that. With your blank slide open, it's time to insert your image. Navigate to the Insert tab located in the toolbar at the top of the page. Once clicked, a drop-down menu will appear. Look for the option labeled Upload from Computer. Clicking this will open a file browser window, allowing you to navigate through your files to select the image you want to use. Once you've chosen your image, upload it to the slide. Now that your image is on the slide, it's time to shape it. Click on the image to select it. You'll notice a small toolbar pop up, and within those tools you'll see the option to crop image. Click on this and you'll see small blue handlebars appear around the edges of your image. These can be used to adjust the image's dimensions to better fit the look you're aiming for. Take a moment to resize the image to match your vision. Next, you'll want to refine the shape. To do this, look for the drop-down arrow next to the crop image option, labeled as mask image. Click on it, and you'll see various shape options to choose from, such as circles, stars, callouts, and many more. The key here is to choose the shape that best complements your presentation's theme. Once you select your shape, your image will instantly adapt to fit within this new outline. And there you go. Your image now resides neatly within the shape of your choosing, adding a dynamic visual element to your presentation. This technique helps you create visually compelling slides that will capture the attention of your audience. Practice using different shapes and images to see what combination works best for your presentation style. Thank you for watching and happy presenting.